One of my favorite success stories of somebody I've worked with is a guy named Jared. And Jared was literally in the first workshop I ever conducted back in 1999. And he was a Yale math nerd, super soft spoken and shy and quiet. I had a chance to work with him over the years. He went to Schwab and Merrill Lynch and beyond, and just got to see the way he kind of evolved as a speaker and as a leader. He then started his own company about 7 or 8 years ago, and they are now the leading provider of tech services for financial markets around the world. Companies about to go public. He's always on CNBC, all over the media, and he just presents. He's still authentic. He's still himself. He's just amplified everything, and it's just so amazing to see how he's developed his persona and his presence over the years.